Reparation of cracked points in the sewerage system can be easily done with packer. We need a packer, compressor, protection foil and chemical reparation material. Before the packer is lowered to manhole, it must be wrapped with protection foil prior to chemical material application to prevent damage to packer. Chemical material wrapped after application of protection foil. Then the packer is placed to pipeline and pushed up to level where the crack is, with the help of push rod. When the packer reaches to cracked area, inflated with the compressor. Wait for a while to provide chemical material adheres to cracked wall of pipeline and repairs the crack. After the chemical material sticks to wall, packer is deflated and displaced from pipeline. Now the crack is repaired and sewerage system works properly.